Good afternoon. It is February the 8th, 2025, coming to you from Freeport, Bahamas. I've done a lot of things in my life, but I've never driven in like a taxi cab, a private car with a Macaw in it. And it's quite different. What a friendly bird there. So, supposedly I missed the bus back. Well, the boat's not leaving for about 4 more hours, but I was on the beach for about 3. I missed it by 10 minutes. But anyhow, we all have new experiences. So this is the Macaw. He wanted to sit on my shoulder a minute ago. But anyhow, till then, subscribe to my channel. You all have a really good day.